Sara Sharif's father, stepmother, and uncle charged with her murder. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV News Report. The father, stepmother, and uncle of 10-year-old Sara Sharif have been charged with her murder after police found her body at their Surrey home in August. Sara's father, Irfan Sharif, age 41, her stepmother, Bianish Batul, age 29, and her uncle, Faisal Malik, age 28, flew to Pakistan with 5 children in August. Shortly after arriving, Sara's father called emergency services in the UK to report that Sara was dead at their home in Horzel near Woking. The discovery of her body sparked an international police search after a post-mortem examination found that she had sustained multiple extensive injuries over a sustained and extended period of time. The three have been charged with causing or allowing the death of a child. They have been remanded in custody and to appear at the Guildford Magistrates Court on Friday. The trio traveled to Pakistan a day before police discovered Sara's body in Woking on August the 10th. They were arrested on Wednesday evening at Gatwick Airport as they re-embarked on a flight from Dubai. They left the Selnut Airport in Pakistan on Wednesday morning after negotiation with police and British authorities, sources told reporters. Police said that Sara's mother had been informed of the latest development and was being supported by specialist officers. This is the house where Sara would have breathed her last breath and would spark an international police search for those responsible for her murder. The three had disappeared in Pakistan after arriving from the UK. It was assumed that Irfan Sharif's 5 children aged 1 and 13 years old were with him, but it later emerged on Monday that they had been staying with their grandfather. The three appeared in court but were remanded in custody by a district judge after being charged with the 10-year-old girl's murder. The 3 defendants, who only spoke to confirm their name, dates of birth, and addresses, have all been charged with causing or allowing the death of a child.
All the media have been giving wrong statements and making up lies. Imran did not give a statement that Sara fell down the stairs and broke her neck. Sara's death was an incident. All of our family members have gone into hiding as everyone is scared for their safety. The kids are unable to attend school as they are afraid to leave the house. No one is leaving the house. The groceries have run out and there is no food for the kids as the adults are unable to leave their homes out of fear of safety. That is why we have gone into hiding.
That video was posted just a few days before all the accused turned themselves over to UK authorities. Sara's body was found at her home on August the 10th. All 3 defendants are accused of murdering Sara on or about the 8th of August and causing or allowing the death of a child. The court was told that all the defendants denied the charges. The prosecutors said that Sara's body was found in a bottom bunk of a bunk bed in the upstairs of the bedroom. The actual cause of her death is still yet to be established, the court was told. At the end of the 20-minute hearing, Judge Tan Ikram said that they would remain in custody until their next court appearance on Tuesday. The 3 defendants left the UK on August the 9th. They were arrested at the Gatwick Airport on Wednesday evening after 5 weeks out of the country, disembarking a flight from Dubai. Earlier on Friday morning, Surrey police confirmed that they had been charged just over 28 hours in police custody. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to comment this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.